Hey, hello and welcome back students. So in this video we are going to cover MEG-14 Block 2 Unit 3 Samskara, Form and Themes based on your Ananthamurthy's novel. In this video we will dive deep into the form and themes of Samskara, a profound novel written by your Ananthamurthy. The story is a rich exploration of Indian culture, caste, morality and spiritual conflict, all wrapped in a powerful narrative style. Let's unfold the different layers that make Samskara a landmark in Indian literary tradition. The form of Samskara. Number 1. Novella format. Samskara is a novella shorter than a full-length novel but longer than a short story. It focuses on intense emotional and philosophical dilemmas rather than a complex plot. The form helps in creating a tight narrative structure that brings the internal conflict to the forefront. Number 2. Linear yet philosophical narrative. The story flows in a linear time frame, but the characters, especially Praneshacharya, go through psychological shift. The narration allows us to experience the mental and emotional turbulence of the protagonist. Number 3. Blending of realism and symbolism. The novel uses realistic settings of Brahmin village, yet it is full of symbolism. For example, decaying body of Narappa symbolizes the moral decay of society. Nature is used metaphorically like the river, forest and cremation fire to reflect spiritual journeys. Number 4. Use of Kannada language and culture. Though translated into English, the local flavor of Kannada culture is preserved. This adds authenticity and makes it a great example of Indian writing in English translation. Now let's discuss the key themes in Samskara. Number 1. Caste and orthodoxy. The central conflict arises due to the death of Narappa, a Brahmin who broke all caste rules. The villagers are unsure who should perform his last rites. This raises questions. What does it truly mean to be a Brahmin? Is caste about birth and conduct? The novel critiques the rigidity of caste and how it can paralyze moral action. Number 2. Spiritual dilemmas and hypocrisy. Praneshacharya, the ideal Brahmin, is torn between his religious duty and his inner desires. After a sudden encounter with a woman Chandri, he begins to question his lifelong beliefs. The novel shows the hypocrisy in spiritual leaders who preach purity but are vulnerable inside. Number 3. Conflict between tradition and modernity. Narappa represents the rebellious spirit, drinking, eating meat, loving a low-caste woman. He openly challenges the Brahminical order. The novel shows how traditional society is falling to adapt to changing times. Number 4. Identity crisis. Praneshacharya's journey is also about self-discovery. He leaves the village in search of answers, which symbolizes a break from external rituals to internal truth. He wonders, who am I beyond caste, rules and religion? Number 5. Decay and renewal. The rotting body of Narappa is a powerful metaphor. It shows the death of our old values. But the story also hints at the possibility of renewal if people confront truth and move beyond rigid structure. Now let's discuss some symbolism in Samskara. Let's look at few key symbols that enrich the theme. Symbol Narappa's corpus. Moral decay and confusion in society. Praneshacharya. Conflict between idealism and reality. River. Cleansing, liberation, spiritual turning point. Forest. Escape from societal rules, journey within. Funeral pyre. Release, ending of the old order. Literally, style and technique. Inner monologues. We see Praneshacharya's thoughts in details, a modern technique that reveals inner conflict. Minimal characters, only a few characters but each one is deeply symbolic. Dialogues are natural and represents different voices in the community. Traditional, rebellious, ignorant and wise. Setting plays a crucial role. The village, forest and river mirror the mental states of characters. In the conclusion, why this unit matters? This unit helps us appreciate how a short and simple story can be loaded with complex themes. Samskara, form and themes shows us how literature can be a mirror of society, how form enhances content, tight narrative symbolizes and rich inner dialogues, how questions about identity, morality and truths are timeless and universal. Here's the break of your video into these segments. Introduction to Samskara and novella form we discussed in the first point. Number 2nd point, Praneshacharya and inner conflict. Number 3. Caste system and spiritual hypocrisy. Number 4. Symbolism and metaphors. Number 5. Modern versus traditional values. Number 6. Conclusion and takeaways. So that's it from this video. I have covered MEG-14 Block 2 Unit 3, Samskara, Form and Themes.